Today's subject is BCom Sem 1 State Unit 1 Linear Correlation. Here are definition. Correlation. Correlation means that between two series or group of data there exists some causal connection. This is the type of correlation you can see. Okay. Okay, that's better. Type of correlation. One is positive correlation and second is negative correlation. What is the positive correlation? When positive correlation, when the value of one variable increasing, when the value of one variable increasing, the value of the other variable also increasing. कुछ एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है, सामने दूसरे वैल्यू की वेरिएबल की भी वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है. एंड व्हेन द वैल्यू ऑफ वन variable decreasing, the value of other variable also decreasing, the correlation between them is said to the positive increasing. Positive correlation. किसी एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है, उसके सामने दूसरे की भी हो रही है. किसी एक की डिक्रीज हो रही है, उसके सामने दूसरे की भी डिक्रीज हो रही है. तो ऐसे प्रकार के वेरिएबल को हम पॉजिटिव कोरिलेशन बोल सकते हैं. ओके, यू आर सीइंग द इंग्लिश मीडियम सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट टाइम इन माय चैनल्स. I will try second time best to provide you. Let's go. Negative correlation. When the value of the one variable increasing, the value of other variable decreasing. When the value of one variable increasing, the value of the other variable decreasing. When value of one variable decreasing, the value of other variable increasing, the correlation between them is said to be negative correlation. जब एक वेरिएबल की कीमत बढ़ती है, सामने दूसरे की डिक्रीज हो रही है. जब दूसरे की डिक्रीज हो रही है तब सामने की इंक्रीज हो रही है. इस प्रकार के रिलेशनशिप को हम नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन कहते हैं. Method of correlation. Here show you method of studying a correlation. First is scatter diagram method, second is Karl Pearson product momentum method, and third is Spearman's method, rank correlation, and fourth is intra-class correlation. This is the very useful in Sem 1, and second and third you can see in your 12th class also. First, second and third you can see in 12th. Next step, you can see here diagram sum. When point are increasing continually, that's called perfect positive correlation. When point are continue decreasing, that's called a perfect negative correlation. Okay. When point are increasing but not sequence in one sequence, that called partial positive correction. When point are decreasing but not in one series and one row, that called partial negative correlation. If point are random, independent, that's called as the absence relationship. This is the diagram method. This is scatter diagram method. Okay, here are some formula for useful in the sum. First is sigma x minus x bar and y minus y bar, and divide sigma x minus x bar so whole square and y minus y bar whole square into करके. When x bar and y bar answer got without point, बराबर, x bar और y bar के वैल्यू पॉइंट में नहीं आनी चाहिए, यानी कि डेसिमल नहीं आना चाहिए, यानी कि 13.5 नहीं होना चाहिए, सिर्फ 13 आना चाहिए, 13.00 चलेगा, 15 आना चाहिए, ऐसा वैल्यू आता है तब हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करते हैं. बट x बार एंड y बार वैल्यू आर इन विथ पॉइंट या डेसिमल के साथ आती है, तब हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. और x और y वेरिएबल की वैल्यू 30 प्लस होनी चाहिए, એટલે કે x અને y ના અવલોકનની કિંમત 30 થી મોટી હોવી જોઈએ. n સિગ્મા uv માઇનસ સિગ્મા u સિગ્મા v ડિવાઇડ વર્ગમૂળમાં n u સ્ક્વેર માઇનસ સિગ્મા u નો હોલ સ્ક્વેર એન્ડ મલ્ટિપલ રૂટ n v સ્ક્વેર માઇનસ સિગ્મા v નો હોલ સ્ક્વેર. This is the formula